Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Eyerate Employee login. First, you need to open your Google Chrome web browser and in the top section over here, type down Eyerate login and enter it. And from here, click on this first option. And in the top right corner over here, there's a Edge login where you can see the two options that says Edge Business Login and Edge Employee Login. Click on the Edge Employee Login. And after that, you'll get in another page where you are required with your email address and your password. Simply type out your email address and your password as well. And if you have forgotten your password, then click over here in order to recover or reset it. And after that, click on the submit option and then you'll be logged into your employee Irate login. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.